Hi everybody, Dave Monyhan, Goodson Tools and Supplies. Yes, once again, it's Tech Lab Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about magnetic particle inspection, crack detection in cast iron and steel, ferrous materials. To find cracks in those type of materials, cylinder heads, blocks, crankshafts, connecting rods, we use magnets, we use powders. And through the magnetic energy and these magnetic powders, we're able to find the types of cracks that need to be repaired or give us the indication that this workpiece is junk and I need to get a better core in the equation before I go through the meticulous and very expensive machining process. We offer two kinds of magnets in the equation. Our MMP 100 has a 10-pound vertical pull. This has articulating legs, left to right, and you can adjust those according to the configurations on the workpiece you happen to be working on. Its big brother is our MMP 210. This has a 22-pound vertical pull. Again, articulating legs so you can get to the weird conformations of engine blocks and the main webbings or in crankshafts and what have you. Made in America, both of these magnets are made right here in the good old US of A. We're very proud to offer these to the professional engine builder worldwide. We also have these available in 220 volt for export and 110 volt here for domestic use in North America. These magnets don't work by themselves. You got to have magnetic crack detection powder in the equation. We offer white, red, and yellow. We have in 1-pound increments, 5-pound increments, and 25-pound increments as well. What color is best for you? You decide. That's why we give you a choice: white, yellow, and red. Also, we have different dispersing bulbs to disperse the powder. This one's pretty simple. Pop the top off, put your powder in here, top goes back on, and then we're able to, when it's new, it doesn't always work real well. Then we're able to properly dispense that powder around the area we wish to inspect for the cracks, and this is a good tool to use. We also have one a little bit more on the dainty side, but it's a little bit more directional. I can actually focus a little bit cleaner where I want that powder to go prior to energizing my magnet. You know, there's one other thing I want to bring to your attention, and that's our MFA 16, our magnetic fluorescent aerosol. This is an oil-based fluid under pressure inside of a 16-ounce can. And there's magnetic suspended particles, fluorescent magnetic particles suspended within this oil. Most of the time this is going to be used on a crankshaft because the irregular surfaces on a crankshaft, normal powder is just really hard to get it to cling there before you energize the magnet to make it happen. So it's really simple. You shake it up, get all the particles suspended into the oil, spray it onto the workpiece, then you grab your magnet, articulate your legs to conform to the workpiece, and then with this UV light, this is what really makes everything work. When we put this UV light on this material, it literally glows. You might want to turn the lights down a little bit, get into a certain part of the machine shop or in the hauler if you're at the racetrack, and then let this light help your eyeballs determine where those fatigue cracks are in a crankshaft. It's very important that those crankshafts get inspected prior to the next run, in drag racing specifically. Because if you got an 11,000 horsepower motor, you're at the big end of the track, well over 300 miles an hour. The last thing you want to have happen is have that crankshaft let go. So let's be safe out there for sure. So don't forget, magnetic particle inspection with fluorescent oil and particles, and the UV light to do that inspection for you as well. Now let me recap everything else that's going on here. So we do give you a choice. We let you make a decision, the MMP 110 or the MMP 210. And one thing I want you to know before I let you go is when you order a magnet, you don't just get the magnet. You'll get the magnet, you'll get a pound of powder, you'll get a dispensing bulb. You order this magnet, you get the pound of powder, and you get the dispensing bulb. So when the magnet kits arrive, you're ready to go to work. I want to thank you for viewing in today. If you need to get in touch with us, catch us out on the .com at goodson.com, or catch us toll free 1-800-533-8010. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.